What's going on, everybody? All is well. So today I want to talk about the stock market, and as you can see, SPY, which is tracks the S&P 500, basically 500 of top companies in the stock market, it's at all-time highs. Now, remember when the market crashed back in April when they announced all the tariff news and whatnot, and people were freaking out, were panicking, panic selling, withdrawing from the 401ks because they thought they were going to go into a recession. Listen, that when the market crashes or it pulls back, that's just another buying opportunity. For a long-term investor, that's what we see. Any pullback or crashes, anytime the market is red, that's just another buying opportunity to acquire more shares of a quality company at a low price. Think of your favorite stores when they get a discount sale for the weekend or a holiday weekend or whatnot. The same thing applies in the market. You know, as a long-term investor, when the market crashes, that's our cue. You know, hey, the market's on sale. Let's acquire some of the best companies in the stock market at a low price because we know long term is going to run right back up to the upside. You know, and look at it, the market has recovered. You know, 6 months out is up 4%. So April 8th, when the market crashed, it was at 496. Right now, it's sitting at 635. And also, we could look at AMD. AMD 6 months out is up 31%. April, when the market crashed, it was at $78. So if you had ignored, this is why we as a long-term investor, you acquire more shares when the market you go buying quality companies at discounted price during when the market crashes. Because if you were buying it AMD at $78 right here, and you ignore all the noise and all people talking crazy, you'll be up 31% right now in AMD. And AMD, I mean, $78, that's a great price. Because this is another quality company, you know. When the whole market crashes, everything along with it crashes. No matter how good the company is, once the whole market goes down, everything goes down, you know. But yeah, AMD is another one. It's running right back up to new all-time highs. The 52-week high is 174. Is at 162. Man, I said to say right now, you know, FOMO gonna kick in, fear of missing out, and you need to avoid FOMO because all the folks that, let's use AMD as example. Everybody that didn't get in on AMD when it was at 78, now they're looking at AMD like, oh man, it's up 161. It's gonna continue to go higher. And this is usually when people they they have FOMO and they buy at the top when the stock is at all time highs, right at the top. And guess what? When they start buying the all time highs, eventually that stock will pull back. And then when it pulls back, let's see. Let's say it pulls back. I don't know. Let's say it pulls back to like 140, 149. You know, they just bought at all time highs, and then when the stock pulls back, they gonna panic sell again. They're like, oh man, this stock market is rigged. I'm gonna just sell my shares and cut my losses again. You know, But you shouldn't be buying at all time highs. One of the things you could do is just continue the dollar cost average. That's most consistent way to invest in the stock market. Just invest how much you see fit into a particular stock or ETF of your choice every week or every 2 weeks or every month, however you see fit, and just be consistent with it. And you could set up auto invest. But yeah, a lot of people now they're gonna have FOMO, and that's something you need to avoid. You need to be patient. Patience is key. Let's go back to AMD as an example. Let's say you missed when it crashed in April. You didn't get in at 78, and you see it run all the way up to 161. Be patient, because ultimately, the stock market isn't going to just run up. You know, it's not going to continue to run up forever. They're going to have pullbacks. There will be another pullback. There will be another crash. You just need to have your money sitting on the sidelines, waiting for that time. So when the market does pull back and it does crash, that's your opportunity to buy. There will be another opportunity like when the market crashed in April, and you see the quality company like AMD that were down, and then now you see the recovery that it made. All right, but yeah, I say don't fall for FOMO. The fear of missing out. Just be patient, because it's not gonna run up forever. Trust me, it's gonna pull back. I know you know I was there too. I didn't get in on a particular company when it was down, and then I seen it's up big on today. I'm like, dang, let me get in now, because it's most likely gonna continue to run. And that that's the time when, as soon as you get in, next thing you know, the next day or the next week, that stock pulls back, and then you're kicking yourself like, damn, I should have waited. I should have been patient and wait for a pullback. Listen, the market is gonna pull back. You just gotta be patient and just be ready to take advantage of that opportunity. On top of continuing the dollar cost average, in my opinion, that's the best um, plan to implement. Whether you're investing in an individual company like AMD or a ETF like a VOO or VTI or SCHD, just stay focused and stay the course. All right. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, you guys be safe, stay cool, and enjoy the rest of your day. All right. Peace.